Follow the steps on how to draw star shapes and their variations in Photoshop. Let's start by creating a new document. To create a star shape, activate the Polygon tool. Select Shape. Set the color here. And most importantly, check the star option. Fill with 5 sides. Hold Shift and drag it up to draw it. Press Enter to finish. Also try other variations available in Options. Activate the Selection tool if you want to move the object. Double-click on the thumbnail to change the color. Double-click here to open the layer styles. You can add a drop shadow to make the shape look more attractive. Finished and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.